I researched YouTube and came up with 7 high CPM faceless ideas with which you can easily grow your YouTube channel fast and you can easily monetize the channel. Some ideas have a smaller number of competitors, but a larger number of potential audiences. At the end of the video, I will share another bonus idea that I really like and provide a PDF of the 30 faceless ideas. I hope you can choose any one of the 7 ideas. To start a faceless YouTube channel, you need to follow 3 steps. Step 1, choose a niche. Step 2, create a video. Step 3, upload on YouTube. In this video, I will share 7 faceless channel ideas that can help you start your YouTube journey. Number 1, exploring. Tropia is a channel that only explores the best places in each country. He earns $700 to $11,000 a month. If you want, you can start a channel and earn money without showing a face. All you need to do this are photos and videos that you can download for free from Pexels, Pixabay, Freepik, and many other websites. Number 2, movie explain. You just see these 3 channels. They watch movies released in the market and explain 20 to 30 minutes. This means the main parts of the story, and they use clips from that movie in the video. You don't have to show your face to do this. See, their channels are monetized. You can easily start this movie explain channel if you want. Number 3, artificial intelligence, means AI. This is the most trending thing at the moment. AI Genesis has gained 81,000 subscribers with only 15 video uploads. By creating AI videos, you can easily grow your channel and earn a good amount of money, and many good sponsors also come in such videos. One more big advantage is that you will have the opportunity to make money through affiliate marketing. Number 4, quiz and riddles. Quiz Time has gained 81,000 subscribers with only 42 video uploads. He earns from $1,000 to $20,000 per month by making these quiz videos. You can easily create such videos with Canva, just with background music and your quiz. Many people like this type of video very much. If you want a complete tutorial of the concept, you can comment on this video. Number 5, make money online. See this channel, he earns $27,000 per month just by making make money videos.
Only that, I got this channel alone to making $27,000 per month without ever even showing my face.
You can create these videos by recording the screen first, like that.
We're literally just screen recordings, and I got a video to over 166,000 views.
If you want, you can start this type of channel. Number 6, weird and funny video review. See this channel? 10 million subscribers uploading only 696 videos. To do this, you just need to find and review the trending videos and tell what is happening in the video. It's very simple, and the videos don't need to be edited so much. Now bonus 1, how to niche. How to is a word from which you can get many ideas and easily find your favorite faceless YouTube channel. Number 7 is fire. He got 1 million plus subscribers by uploading only 14 videos. I think it will be much easier for those who like to read books. All you have to do is summarize the book. All you need to do this are photos and videos that you can download for free from Pexels, Pixabay, Freepik, and many other websites. And check my Instagram bio for 30 plus faceless idea PDF files. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel for YouTube tips and make money idea. Thank you very much for watching the full video.